Hello students, welcome to your class. Today we shall be doing the story The Enemy. Now this story, The Enemy, is a story based on anti-war sentiments. Now in this story, the central character is a Japanese doctor, Dr. Sadao Hoki. Now he has perfected the art of surgery. Along with that, he is doing some sort of research, and he is considered to be a very important person, a very important resource rather, for his country. Now the background of the story is set during the war, right, when the Japanese soldiers, they are fighting with the Americans, and most of the doctors, they are sent at the battlefront, because the doctors are needed to save the dying soldiers. But Dr. Sadao Hoki is an exception. He has not been sent. Why? Because General Takima, who is again a very important personnel in the army, he is undergoing from some stomach disease which needed urgent surgery, and this surgery has to be done by Dr. Sadao Hoki. And moreover, Dr. Sadao Hoki was also doing some sort of experiments which would render the wounds clean, perfect, very soon. Right, so Dr. Sadao Hoki was not allowed to go there. Now Dr. Sadao Hoki, being a doctor, he had a very loving family. He had his wife whose name was Hana, and other than that, he had 2 small children, and other than that, there were 3 servants in the house. One was their nanny, the ayah who used to look after the children. Her name was Yumi. Other than that, there was a gardener and a cook, right? And all of them loved their masters wholeheartedly. Now one day it happened, so when Dr. Sadao Hoki was standing, Dr. Sadao Hoki's house faced the sea. So one day when Dr. Sadao Hoki and his wife Hana, they were standing at their balcony, they saw that a person came out of the sea. He staggered for a few steps, and then he falls down he staggers for a few steps, and then he falls down on the beach. Dr. Sadao Hoki, he thinks that perhaps the man was severely wounded, because that part of the sea was full of rocks, and anyone who is washed away on the land would be terribly wounded. So Dr. Sadao Hoki and Hana, both of them, runs to save the person. When they go there, they think that perhaps it can be a boat would be turned over, and he is a fisherman. But then after sometimes they would find out that he was actually an American soldier, right? So they would find out he was not a Japanese. He was an American. The man had golden hair and he was blonde. Actually, Japanese, as you know, they are fair, but they have black hair. And the hair color and his appearance would prove that he was not a Japanese, and it was evident that he was a soldier, right? Then the man was actually wearing a battered cap, and in that cap it was written, they would find out from the cap that actually he was a soldier. He belonged to US Navy, the American Navy. The man was a prisoner of war, right? So they didn't know what to do with him now, right now. If they keep the man, if they bring the man to the house, then they would be treated, they would be actually termed as, rather they would be called traitors by their countrymen. And Dr. Sadao Hoki, being a doctor, he finds that it is his duty to save a dying man. So he was torn apart between his duty and his patriotism. What to do? He did not want to be called himself, he did not want to be marked as a traitor. But later it would be decided that they would take the man home, Dr. Sadao Hoki would cure him and then hand him over to the police. Right? So he would carry the man. The servants would, if not directly, they would object to the appearance of the white man, of the appearance of an American in the house, because as you know, Japanese and Americans, they hated each other. They never liked each other. So his presence in the house would be indirectly objected by everyone in the house. The nanny would refuse, the nanny or the ayah, Yumi, she would refuse to bathe him. So the mistress of the house, that is Hana, would bathe him properly, and then Dr. Sadao Hoki would perform the surgery. And he knew it very well. Being a successful surgeon, he knew that the man would live. After the surgery, he would realize that the person would live, and he would be assisted by his own wife. Hana would help Dr. Sadao Hoki to provide anesthesia to this person. Right? Now they were in a dilemma. They were in a trouble. They did not know what to do with this man. So Dr. Sadao Hoki would go to General Takima and tell him everything. Now General Takima, who did not want to be operated by any doctor other than Dr. Sadao Hoki, did not want to put him in danger. So he decided to send his private assassins, private killers, who would go at night and kill the patient, the American, and take the body out. So in this way, no one would know anything about what Dr. Sadao Hoki has done. So no one would be in trouble. And Dr. Sadao Hoki also agrees to that. Right? One day would go, and then the second day, no assassins would come to kill the person, and slowly and gradually the person was regaining his health. He was becoming stronger day by day. So Dr. Sadao Hoki was also slowly and gradually, he was also fond of this person and did not want to get him killed. Right? So he would decide that it's enough. He has to do something for this. So Dr. Sadao Hoki goes to the, now General Takima, though he says that he's going to send private assassin and get him killed, he does not do anything. So when the man regains his health, Dr. Sadao Hoki finds out a way for him. And what is the way? He buys a boat for him and some food. Along with that, he gives him a torch and Japanese clothes and let the man sail away in a different island where he believes Korean ships would pass by and the man can easily escape. Right? And then he would visit General Takima and say that the man has escaped. Now General Takima would also be in a trouble because he had promised to send an assassin, and if he could not send it, then it is also fault on his part. So he asks Dr. Sadao Hoki to forget everything, and thus the story ends here. So the main thing is that in this story, the enemy, actually the title is very important. Dr. Sadao Hoki and the prisoner, Tom, his name was Tom. Both of them belonged to the countries which were enemy of each other. But Dr. Sadao Hoki, while treating him, treats him as a patient, as a human being. He tries his best to save him, and he also saves him. Not only that, he does not even hand him over to the police. Rather, he buys everything necessary for him and helps him set sail and escape so that he can live his life. He was a mere boy of only 23. So who is the enemy here? No one is our enemy. All of us are tied in the bond of brotherhood. Right? And Dr. Sadao Hoki, being a true person, being a real human being, shows us this thing, that none of us are enemy of each other. We are all friends. Okay? So this is all about the chapter. We would not read the chapter in detail because it is a huge chapter. and I believe the summary is fine. Other than that, for questions, prepare the character sketch of Dr. Sada Hoki, title, and a general summary of this chapter. That's it for today. Thank you for attending the class. Goodbye.